Hi everyone, my name is Janish Patel and I will be presenting workshop 3, group 5, APS 145 NDD class. Let's begin. Our working title is the 4 light 5 state traffic light solution. Let's go through the problem first. There is a busy intersection in downtown Toronto which currently uses 3 light 3 state traffic light system and it is in heavy demand of left turns. So to solve this problem, the current 3 light 3 state traffic system needs to upgrade to 4 light 5 state system. Furthermore, the 4 light 5 state system consists of a red light, an amber light, a green light and an advanced left turn which can be green or amber. Now let's go through the traffic light cycle. First state is solid green plus advanced left green arrow which remains on for 15 seconds. Second, solid green plus advanced left amber arrow which remains on for 5 seconds. Third, solid green plus advanced left arrow which remains on for 40 seconds. Fourth, solid amber which remains on for 10 seconds. Fifth, solid red which remains on for 70 seconds and it is the sum of all the 4 stages. Now let's go through some additional features of this 4 light 5 state traffic system. Firstly, request to walk button. This feature works only when it is in red light state. Pedestrians can cross the road by pressing walk button and this will reduce the remaining wait time of the red light state to 25 seconds. Secondly, a car sensor is a feature that monitors the number of waiting cars when in a red light state. When the number of cars waiting reaches 6 or more, this sensor will trigger the system to reduce the remaining wait time of the red light state to 25 seconds. Thirdly, an interrupt. It can occur at any time and will take over the active state. For example, of this type of interruption can be the traffic controller setting all lights to flash amber or to flash red. After interruption, the lights either gets reset or gets off. Now, why our solution is best? First and foremost, we did problem explanation, which shows the busy intersection at Toronto is in demand of left turns and is in the need of 4 light 5 state traffic light system. Second, we discussed about the 4 light state traffic light system, about what it consists and how it works. Third, we discussed about the additional features of this 4 light 5 state traffic system, which consists of a request to walk button, car sensor, interrupt. And that's it. Thanks for watching.